Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder error. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder error, you should just go settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you search about Tinder app and you click. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.